YouTube, this is Betty and welcome back to another crafty video. I am here for a project share for my Crack the Vault collaboration. This collaboration is year-long. It's being hosted by Jamie, Poetspice here on YouTube. This is a collaboration where we pull out products from our vault that we haven't used within 6 months or more, or products that we have recently purchased that we want to play with. Make sure you check down below in the description box. I will have links to YouTube channels for all of the participants in this collaboration. Please excuse, I do have a little situation going on, you guys. I had my surgery yesterday. Everything went well. And so I have to keep this wrap on until my follow-up appointment. But you will see this in the video. I actually signed up for a Pastel wing swap about maybe about 2 weeks ago. This swap is being hosted by Bethany, your crafty BFF. And she has a tutorial for a dimensional loaded pocket. I will link that below if you're interested. And what I'm going to share today is the pocket. It's not loaded yet. I still have to create my embellishments. But I wanted to go ahead and put the pocket together prior to my surgery. So all I have to concentrate on is putting together everything else to go inside. It's not due until October the 10th. So I still have a lot of time, time for me to heal from my surgery and get these items made. I created one loaded pocket for my swap partner and then one pocket for the hostess of the swap. All right, you guys, so let me share with you real quick the products that I use. I use these Heidi swap bows. It's called Dazzling Dots. That I had not used, so it was fun to use this. The paper collection I decided to pull out of my vault is the Lil Boo Thang. The last time I played with this was last Halloween. I also pulled out another embossing folder from my stash that I had not used. The name of this embossing folder is Rolling Wave by Simon Says Stamp. This is a Doris embossing folder that I pulled from my vault. I'm not sure. I guess it's called Googly Eyes. I didn't write the name on it. So it looks like, googly eyes or scary eyes or whatever you want to call it. So I pulled this out. I also used the Photo Play Lil Boo Thang paper collection. So let me share with you how my loaded pockets turned out. And here is the first one. Right here, I love how this turned out. I kept it very, very clean and simple. I'm still gonna add some things to it. But you can see here, it's very dimensional. I used the 110 black cardstock, as well as, a layer of the designer paper on top. So this is the first one. I used the chipboard stickers from that collection. And I love to layer my chipboards. These are the papers that I selected. I also use this cute little border here across the top. And then this cute little ghost in the back. I'm going to do some more things with her. I'm going to add maybe some cheeks or something. So I still need to add to her. But I included this cute bow on the top of her head. And it says Boo Thang. And this ghost actually came from a gift bag that I had, and this was hanging, as a tag from the bag. So I just cut it off, you guys, and I used it. And yeah, I like how it turned out. So here's the side of it, and you can see the embossing folder, that rolling wave that I shared. And then here's the back with that designer paper. And then here's the other side. You can see that rolling wave embossing folder again. Here is this embossing folder here, the Dazzling Dots. I just wanted to go with something different and to get a use out of a different embossing folder. Here is the second loaded pocket. It's the same pretty much as the first one with some subtle changes. So I went with the same design, but if you notice, I used the bat on this one instead of the the hat. And then here on the side, the embossing is where I use those eyes. And then I just went across it with a white ink, you know, so that you can see the eyes a lot better. I used the same bow and the same papers on the back of this one. And then here are the eyes on this side and then the bottom. So, you know, I just wanted to switch it up to give a different look. And that is my project share for you guys today. I hope it has inspired you to get started on your Halloween crafting. I'm super excited to be signed up for a Pastel swap. And I can't wait to create all of the elements for the inside of the loaded pocket. Make sure you check out the other ladies. Thank you for stopping by. Don't forget to like up my video to help support my YouTube channel. And until next time, make sure you always create with love and passion. Bye.